Hello, Sachin. How are you? Sachin. 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 Sachin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. How are you?
Yeah, fine. What did you study since yesterday? Kuch naya?
I Yes, sir. I prepared the questions answer for the question you were asked yesterday.
Hmm.
I prepared my own answer for that, sir.
Oh, very good. Can you try to speak out what it is?
First question was tell me about yourself. I prepared the ideal answer for that.
Yeah.
And then about native place.
Hmm.
Then the meaning of my name, that is Sachin.
Hmm.
Then about my district and why I turned to the banking sector after engineering,
Hmm.
and about Federal Bank.
So actually, आपका नाम पर सचिन है ना? वो
Yes, sir.
सचिन तेंदुलकर के बारे में ज्यादा पूछ सकते हैं.
Okay, sir.
Sachin Tendulkar. What do you know about Sachin Tendulkar?
Just sir, he is the best cricketer and he is the renowned as the god of cricket.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा.
I have to read about his innings and centuries. I am aware that he strike the 100 centuries in his career in the cricket.
थोड़ा
Yes, sir.
उनका बारे में आप थोड़ा प्रिपेयर करना है because your name is Sachin. That is the reason.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Okay.
not required. Good. Then what did you prepare
Yes,
for
sir.
your other questions? Just tell me. Try to speak out.
Which question, sir?
Anything, any question का आंसर अब मन में आता है बता दीजिए.
I prepared for the information about my native place, sir.
Please tell.
I belong to Khamgaon city, which is also renowned as the silver city because it is the renowned market because it is the renowned market for silver. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan has purchased the Lord Ganesha smiling statue from this market. And again, it was also renowned as the cotton city because in the British Raj, it was the great center for cotton market. And the holy place of Shega of Sri Gajanan Maharaj is also near from the Khamgaon city, and the Nyan Ganga wildlife sanctuary is also near from the Khamgaon city at about 17 to 30 kilometers.
Good. Sir, who are the famous people from your place?
The famous people, talking about famous people from Khamgaon, sir, Bhausaheb Phunkar, sir. He was the late Bhausaheb Phunkar. He was the agriculture minister of India during 2040. If I am not wrong, 2030 to 2040, sir. 40.
No, if you are not certain about some years, don't talk about it. Just leave it blank. Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Then what is the profession of people in your place?
Sachin?
Sir,
He was not
yes.
he was not Phunkar was not a agriculture minister of India. He was from the only Maharashtra.
Oh.
No, I think he is from Central.
Prajwal is telling. So
might be wrong.
May be wrong. You please check it up. No problem. Acha, what is your name? Sachin, I want to authorize you. I am making you host. Okay. Prajwal, I am making you also host. How to do it? आता नहीं. अब प्रज्वल नाम पकड़ने से तो निकल जाते हैं. Hello, Prajwal. It's not coming. Okay, doesn't matter. Sachin, can you hear me? Prajwal?
Okay, sir.
Prajwal, yeah.
Is I am audible, sir?
You are audible, and I'm just clicking.
Is I am audible?
Yeah, chat. No problem. I'm not able to make you host. I don't know why.
No issue, sir.
No problem. Yeah. Sambasiva has come. Welcome. Sambasiva, good evening. So we will start today straight away, Sachin, because yesterday I was feeling I taught you, but then I thought I have not given you anything related to banking. because I have
Yes,
told
sir.
you general things only. But of course, that is the basic thing. For example, tell me about yourself. That is a very important thing that we have to be thorough with. Then what is the meaning of your name? Sambashiva name that was Sambashiva. What would you like to tell about your name? Would you like to tell some name, some importance about your name? Sambashiva.
My
Yeah.
name,
Please tell, supposing they ask, are you aware of some famous personalities with your name? I think you can tell the name of Mukambur Sambasivan Swaminathan.
sir, voice
Sir,
is
your network,
MS
your
Swaminathan.
voice is breaking.
Voice is breaking. Mukambur S. Swaminathan. Who is he? Sambashiva. He is not able to hear me. Sambashiva, are you speaking? I think you're
Sir, can you repeat, sir? Sir, your voice is not audible from your side.
from my side. अच्छा 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 अभी ठीक है
It's okay now, sir.
अभी ठीक है
Breaking.
yeah अभी breaking yeah
Now
yeah
it is okay. Now it is okay.
now it is okay now Sambashiva what do you know about MS Swaminathan you don't know अच्छा
Sir,
Prajwal
his
you know about
physics-
MS Swaminathan
No, sir.
बाप रे बाप Nikhil Wag you know about MS Swaminathan
Yeah, MS Swaminathan. I know about MS Swaminathan.
what was he what is he
He was the committee in charge of
Hmm.
MS Swaminathan Ayog set up by central government. It is for agriculture development.
Hmm.
Time, some
Mhm. Wrong
some implications or some forecast by which or the
Sir,
policies.
he is a member of parliament
no
and also
MS Swaminathan is not a member of parliament. MS
Sir, I think
Swaminathan
there
is
is-
father of Green Revolution.
Yes.
Basic thing ये नहीं जानने से कैसे चलेगा? Young boys, girls, you must know this. Please note down MS Swaminathan. Try to know more about it. Though you are not appearing for RRB, आपको इसका बारे में जानना जरूरी है. You have to know about MS Swaminathan. Just go to Wikipedia search or google.com and search and whatever important points. He is a man from Tamil Nadu and his name is Mukambur Sambashivan Swaminathan. His father's name is Sambasivan. Okay. And he is the father of Green Revolution. And what are the other points he
No
has done?
sound from
I
your
don't know.
side, sir.
Yeah.
No,
Pardon?
no. audible.
Not audible? Hello, is it okay now?
It's breaking, sir.
Yes.
Breaking.
Now it is audible, sir. But before before 2 seconds there was a little bit issue.
Acha, acha. Abhi, I am able to hear you, but I don't know what is the speed available now in my house. Here, I think it must be good only, but still sometimes it doesn't come well. Fast.com says it starts with a very low speed, 15 Mbps, yeah, 13 Mbps, 11 Mbps, 12 Mbps. Acha, there is some problem in my connectivity. Yeah,
It's audible now, sir.
it is audible now. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Good. Now, we were going on a very important topic about our name. Pallavi, Pallavi, can you tell something important about your name?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Please repeat your question.
About your name. Supposing they ask you what is the speciality of your name, do you know some famous personalities in your name? Say presently or pehle bhi. For example, if somebody has a name Gandhi, they can say in what way your name is famous. Then you have to tell about Mahatma Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, and other names. Similarly, Pallavi के लिए क्या बताएंगे आप?
Sir, actually, the meaning of Pallavi is fresh leaf. And there is one Marathi actress whose also name is Pallavi Joshi. She is famous.
Hmm.
But Pallav in Marathi, its meaning is fresh leaf, new leaf.
Excellent. Good. Preeti Tonge, are you there? Yesterday also her sound did not work. Preeti Tonde, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell, are you aware of some of the famous personalities you say in the name of Preeti or in the name of Tonge? Tonge का नाम पर कोई famous personalities है?
सर नहीं टोंगे के नाम नो
आप-
सर
आपको
But-
महाराष्ट्र में होना चाहिए. Other Maharashtra boys, please tell me, Tonge का नाम पर कोई famous person है? No,
Not aware about, sir.
not very much aware. Very good. Leave it. Shiva का नाम तो okay. Now we'll go to Shiva. शिवाजी. शिवाजी बोलने से तो बड़ा है. शिवाजी बोलने से तो
Yes.
that छत्रपति शिवाजी. Is your name similar to Chhatrapati Shivaji or some other Shivaji?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the full name? Hello?
My name is Shiva Sai Kumar, sir. Hello, sir. How is
Uh,
audible?
Shiva
Hello?
Sai Kumar.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Oh, that means you are from
Hello.
Andhra Pradesh.
Telangana.
Oh, Telangana. Acha, acha. ठीक है. Then Shiva Sai Kumar. Of course, they can ask you explanation for Shiva, explanation for Sai also. What do you know about Shirdi Sai Baba?
Sir, Shirdi Sai Baba he is a god.
Hmm.
He represents all religions are equal.
Hmm. Yeah,
So he represents.
Aisa answer nahi dena. We will ask what Sachin has to say about Shirdi Sai Baba. Please tell me.
Please pardon, sir.
Shirdi Sai Baba ka bare mein bataiye.
No, sir. He told about Gajanan Maharaj. I think so.
No. He Sai Kumar was talking about Sai Baba only, but he was telling him as God. Sai Baba was a person who lived in the first part of the 20th century. He died
Okay.
in 1918. He lived in the famous place Shirdi that is nearer to Pune in Maharashtra. And he was known for his, doing good things to many others. This is what we know. Now, a lot of temples have come with his, in his name all over the country. This is what we can briefly say about Sai Baba. Okay,
Yes,
there
sir.
may be so many other things we can say, but this is what I will tell briefly. Jishnu Sri Kumar. Jishnu ji, are you there, Jishnu?
Good evening. Yes, sir.
Good evening. Jishnu, you are from Telangana, na? Or
No, sir. Coimbatore. Coimbatore.
Coimbatore. Jishnu, this name appears to be that of, say,
Malayalam.
North Indian. Acha, you are from Malayalam?
Yes, sir. Native is Kerala and domicile of Coimbatore.
What is the meaning of the name Jishnu?
It is one of the 12 names which the famous character from Mahabharata, Arjuna has. So he has 12 names and one name is Jishnu.
Excellent, excellent. Good. Thank you. What about Real Me? Real Me, आपका नाम क्या है जी? Real Me, आपका नाम क्या है?
Sir, I am Aditi.
Aditi. Oh, Baba, Aditi has come today. Yesterday, throughout, we were searching. Aditi could not come. Aditi, please tell about yourself. आपका बारे में बताइए. कल आपने बात नहीं किया. Yesterday, you never talked. You are from which place?
I am from Nasik, Maharashtra.
Oh, very good, very good. Please tell about yourself briefly.
Okay, sir. My name is Aditi Kasru Hule. I have completed my graduation with specialization in banking. Apart
Oh.
from studies, I started playing cricket. I started playing cricket during my college days, and I represented national and university level, and I got second medal in cricket.
Acha.
Apart from sports and studies, I developed my interest in NCC also. So I got NCCC certificate from Naval NCC unit,
Mm.
as well as I have leadership qualities,
Mm.
and I consider myself as a hardworking and good observer person.
You don't say I consider, say I am a hardworking person.
Acha.
You have to
Okay,
say
sir.
I am a hardworking. You cannot say I consider. That means you are not certain about it. So you say I am a hardworking person. Now tell me, what is the advantage of participating in NCC?
Sir, NCC teach us how to obey ourselves in discipline, and also NCC develop leadership qualities in me.
Mhm. Good. What are the qualities in you that you like very much?
Sir, I am a person I can fit into any environment,
Mhm.
fit myself into any environment.
Acha, what do you think about women empowerment?
Woman empowerment means woman getting opportunity as compared to male candidates.
How can that be improved? How can women empowerment be improved? This question will go to Pallavi also. Tell me. First, Aditi, tell me.
Yes.
Women
Sir,
empowerment
for
के लिए क्या करना है?
Sir, first of all, for improving women empowerment, we need to aware in rural areas. So if we see in urban areas, now this ratio is good as compared to previous some days. So we need to focus on urban rural areas.
I think your answer
For
is
this,
not clear. Pallavi, can you tell me what should be done to improve women empowerment?
Sir, according to me, to improve women empowerment, there should be equal opportunity in every field for
Okay.
women as well as men.
Okay.
In that way, we can improve that ratio.
That's all. और भी ज़्यादा बोल सकते हैं जी. Women should be given education, and once you educate a woman, you are educating a family. So giving proper education, giving scholarships to women for in say schools and colleges will enable them to improve their participation. And women should be given importance. Right now we are given importance in panchayat elections where 33% is allotted for women. That alone will not do. There was an effort to give some share in our Lok Sabha also, that is not getting passed. So likewise, women should be recognized, women should be given empowerment. That is, they should be given work so that they perform it well and they get a recognition, something like that. Okay, very fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now we will go on to next question. This one we were discussing because what is the meaning of your name? That's what it is. You hail from so and so, or you hail from this question. You prepare yourself. You don't have to tell now. For example, what is your native place and what is importance in that place? Who are the important people living in that place? Who are the important people who have lived in that place? Next question is, for this is applicable for people who have graduated in the year 2017 and all that, where for explaining about the gap, they can ask you embarrassing questions. Please be ready to face those questions. Tell them what you have been doing from that time. Anybody is from 2017 and before that? Nobody.
Yes, sir, 2000.
Yes, sir. 2016, sir.
Oh, 2016. So you may face some
Shiva.
Siva, you may face some embarrassing questions. What you have been doing all these days? Can you tell us what you have been doing all these years? Shiva.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm audible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. After completion of graduation, sir, I preparing for the bank examinations up to 2018. So after that, I cleared the ICICI Bank interview. I joined ICICI Bank as a customer service officer, sir. in
Mm.
2018.
Mm.
So I completed my 2 years experience in ICICI Bank.
Mm.
After that, I cracked the HDFC Bank interview.
Mm.
I joined in a assistant manager grade in the HDFC Bank as a welcome PB welcome day, as a personal banker.
Mhm. Now you are in HDFC.
Now I resigned recently. Recently resigned my job in COVID, sir. Second
Acha.
wave in 2021.
2021 March, June. Acha. Acha. Why did you resign so hurriedly? Could you not have resigned after getting a job?
Because in a second wave, sir, I got attacked by the COVID-19.
Mm.
So I have to take care of myself and my family in that pandemic situation.
Mm.
So I went for my hometown and I will settle there.
Mm.
I recovered completely from the recovered from COVID-19.
Mm.
Then I started the preparing for the bank examination. Further, in that preparation only, I will clear the Federal Bank internship program.
Excellent. For you, there will not be much problem because you were working for 3 or 4 years. So, aapko problem, there will not be any issues or problems. Anybody else? 2017-18, Prajwal, tell me.
Yes, sir. I work in manufacturing industry, automobile industry for more than 1.5 year. And then, sir, I opt for the startup where I launched my own product.
For you also, there will not be any problem because you can explain your gap. You have not been working for how long? Say 1 year, 2 years?
At least 1 year.
No problem. That is not a big issue. The problem
Yes,
is
sir.
only.
I have 2 years of gap, sir.
Sir, this is Shiva, sir.
Shiva, yeah.
Yeah, sir. What are the expected questions we are facing, sir? Interview. We are experienced person, so.
No, for you, it will not be. For you, the question will be something like, say, they will ask you, what did you do in ICICI? What did you do in HDFC? Likewise, they will ask you.
Okay, sir.
That we will take care afterwards. Yeah. Now.
No, sorry
Okay.
for interruption. I am
Yeah.
Rahul, sir.
Yeah. Rahul.
Sir, like, yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Sir, like I have a question. Like I am a 2021 passed out, and currently I got placed in an CTS, like IT service-based job. But still, that work is not yet started, and I have not been salarized. But still, like I got only this month it has begun. So, like, what can I say? Like, can I say like I'm employed or like?
No. I said for you, it will not be a problem. People who have passed out in 21, 20, 19 also, they may not question.
Because like already I attended for clerical role. Like in that interview, I just said that like I'm not placed in the campus. I said because like only if I say like I am placed in a campus, like I thought like they might not hire me. So in that way, I also answered like that I am not placed in the campus.
You could have told the truth. I got placed, but I'm not interested in joining there because I am more happy about joining in banking because it gives job opportunity. Like that you can say. Okay.
Okay, like I am more interested in banking and this role. I can say like that.
So now what you are telling is CTS has not sent you order for joining. If they send you order for joining tomorrow, will you join that?
No, sir. Actually, I'm more interested in banking only.
Okay, that's good. Anybody else has got some doubt regarding
Yes, sir.
that?
I have questions.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Sir.
Yeah.
So after I completed engineering 2018. Then after I have 8 months experience as a marketing engineer. Then after I have a gap of 2 years now.
No problem. That is okay. But then they can question you, why are you coming from marketing to this place? Where you not, but of course, for you, this question only will be like this. You are from marketing. Will you take up a marketing job in Federal Bank?
Yes.
That is what they will ask. You should say yes. Sachin,
yes.
What is your details?
I completed my graduation in 2020, sir, and I worked for 6 to 8 months in the Inditech Walls Private Limited company, and then I started for preparing competitive examination.
No problem. For you, there is not much of a gap.
One question, Sambashiva.
Yeah.
Sir, I have completed in 2017. But I kept computer operator as experience for 3 years.
Oh, good. 3 years you have worked, so no gap. So you have been free only from 20. So they will ask questions relating to what you have been doing those 3 years.
Sir, if they ask why did you resign, means for better opportunity for banking sector, it is okay, sir, answer?
Yeah, that's what you would have seen in many of my videos. Banking companies offer better job opportunities, career growth, and it is an expanding empire or area. So I would like to come to banking.
Okay.
It depends on the confidence with which you speak. You should not speak just because I have told you or somebody else has told you. You have to believe in what you are speaking and then tell. Could you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sambashiva.
Sir, I had an query.
Yeah.
Sir, if Miss, as like this question, why you are choosing banking after engineering? Same question for me is like after doing startup, why you are coming here? So what should I
Now,
reply?
your case will be, I started a startup, but it could not, I mean, it could not bring proper success. And especially due to COVID crisis and all that, even after the COVID is ended, starting it up requires a lot of working capital, which I am
Yeah.
not having. And I'm not willing to take the risk of borrowing from another bank also. They can put you all these cross questions.
Sir, it is a genuine reason. Even it is right. But sir, is it given us means some bad remark?
No.
Bad
No. Only thing is, you have tried in some area where you felt you have not been successful. You are coming out of it. You realized it. You are the better judge for that. And absolutely, it is fine.
Means
Nothing
no need to
wrong.
hide.
No need to hide. If you tell one lie, you have to tell more lies.
Yeah.
So that is a point. Very good. Now,
I have a question.
yeah.
Sir, suppose if I said I have preparing for the competitive exams.
Suppose आने से if नहीं आएगा. Suppose बोलने से, suppose this one only. If you can say, don't put both suppose and if. This is English. Yeah.
Yes,
Continue.
If I said I am preparing for the last 2 years for the competitive exams, so they can ask why federal bank, why not public sector bank?
I have been trying for public sector banks. I have not cleared that. Now I have cleared this, and I find the scope of service is good. So I would like to join. Here again, they can cross question you. You know pretty well we are going to take the first 2 grade people only. Then what risk? Why are you taking this risk and coming here? Then you should say, I am confident I'll be scoring within the first grade itself. I will score excellent marks. So I will get myself enrolled as a PO. Nikhil, do you understand?
Yes,
they will put so many cross questions, and this is how you have to manage and speak with confidence.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question, last question, sir. I just saw this in Telegram. Can I say, sir?
Please tell.
Sir, that's one question, how if you have given a branch, how much percentage you will increase the book? So I can't understand the question.
Now this question is given to test about your achievement motivation skills. See, for example, if you can jump 4 feet now, next your attempt will be, say, you will try for 5 feet. But you should not be trying for 7 feet, 8 feet and all. If you try for 7 feet, 8 feet, it indicates you are trying beyond your ability without any proper reasoning. So are you, if you can jump down from fourth step, you can try from 5th step or maximum 6th step, but not 7. That again, you have to have reasons why you are doing it. Or you can even say, I will jump only from 4th step because even while jumping from 4th step, I was not that very sure. So I would like to try for some days from 4th step only. It's very simple. Yeah. Yeah, like no,
Actually, the question is like how much percentage you will
very
increase.
good. Yeah, you can say normally banks are aiming for say 20%, 30% increase. So you can as well say 40%.
Okay, compared to, because it's we are naive person and we are fresher, we can say like I could make it to 10% increase from the past.
No, no. 10% increase will come from the deposit interest itself. Interest itself is 6%. So that automatically that will come. So that you can aspire for, it depends on what your mind says. You can ask for 20%, 30%, 40%. Whatever you say, you must be able to substantiate it.
Okay, it should be logical and reasonable.
Yeah,
not
yeah.
it not should not be too much or too low.
But there is one banking fellow here, sorry, marketing boy, Shiva. Shiva, what is the percentage of increase you will give in performance budget? Shiva,
Hello?
because he has
Sir?
been working in bank. Shiva, tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Could you understand
Sir,
the
actually,
question?
I don't know, sir.
No, you have worked in a bank. Don't you know how much targets you can give for you? If you have done last month 100 accounts, this month if they want you to increase, you can ask for say 110, 120, like that.
Yes, sir.
But there is one, sometimes after a few stages, you become saturated. You can't increase beyond that. I had an experience. When I joined the bank branch, I had 15 crore deposit. Then it went up to 40 crores. Then it went up to 90 crores. Then it went up to 120 crores. All that I was able to do with the help of one account. So later on, for increasing it further became a problem for me. So there I could not do it well. So it depends on the time at which you are facing. If you are on a fertile land, you can always say for 20, 30% and all that. It depends.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have 30% also you can say. Even that is because considering the competition available in this area, 30% is okay in my view. That's what you can say. There is only 9 minutes time available, and if it stops after 5 minutes, we will again re-log in. Yesterday, some of you did not turn up. Aditi and others, they did not turn up after some time. The second time when we logged in, some of you were not coming, na? Excuse me, Aditi.
Yes, sir. Actually, I was out of.
Acha, theek hai. If you have valid reasons, very fine. There is one new person has joined, Realme 5i. What is your name, please? Realme 5i. Are you there to speak for us?
Sir, sir.
What is your name?
Sir, Suraj.
Acha, Suraj, from which place?
Sir, from Coimbatore.
Acha, good. What is your degree?
Sir, BA Economics.
Very good. What is the speciality of your name? Are there any famous persons in your name?
Sir, I don't think so, but it's the meaning of my name is Sun.
Yeah. So you can.
So I hope I'll be the something.
No, you can.
I can do the same brightness for the. Sir?
No, you can say Suraj is sun. Sun is the source of energy for this world.
Yeah.
For this world,
Yes, sir.
it gives light energy, heat energy, and all that. And without sun, it will be really difficult. And crops and plants, animals, everyone, we need the sun. Very good. And in your name,
Yeah.
famous people means Surya. Surya, cine actor, who has now got into controversy in a movie that he has made recently. You know that controversy?
Hello, sir.
Movie.
That
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
No. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah. Suraj, what is the controversy with which Surya has got involved? Terima Teriada. Hello.
Political controversy, sir. ரொம்ப பாலிடிக்ஸ் பேசினா மாட்டிட போறோம் சார்.
No, no,
I just came to know that many actors are support.
many actors, or I think there is some
What's going on with him?
network problem. Doesn't matter. That's right. Very good.
He made a movie, sir. He made a movie, Jai Bhim. On that, the controversy started.
Yeah, some in that. No, but this is not required for other state students. For Tamil Nadu students, it is very much required. You must know about it when you go for an interview like this. Okay, very good. Then
So other important questions, sir. Like yesterday, like Chief Justice and Governor, like recently got Governor also sent. Will they ask those questions also, sir? Like
yeah, they
name
will.
of the gov-
They will ask. In Tamil Nadu, Chief Justice has changed. They will ask. Governor's name, they will ask. About your place, they are not asking about Maharashtra. They can ask.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. We speak. Who wants to speak? Yeah. Now, I am going to the next question. I am now following our, what is that? Guidely.com material. I am on question number 5. How can you be a value addition to our bank? How can you be a value addition to our bank? Now, who will start this? Siva, can you, Siva, tell me, Siva, where is Siva? I don't know why your name came to my mouth. Shiva is there? No. Then Sachin, try.
Yes, sir. As I'm a mechanical engineer, the engineers are well good in the analytical skills and the maths. So I think it will be a beneficial for the federal bank. And nowadays the banks are moving toward the adapting new technologies like ATMs, credit card, debit card. So I update myself in this technology, and it will be a beneficial for the federal bank.
Brief. Yeah. Next, Shubham Gupta, you have come just now. Tell me,
Yes.
what will you bring value addition to our bank? What value addition will you bring to us? Why are you struggling? You have to prepare for this. Okay. Aditi will be able to tell that nicely. She speaks well. Aditi, please tell.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the value addition you will give to us?
Sir, I don't prepare perfect answer, but I will try.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. As I mentioned, I completed my digital marketing course also. So I will try to put Federal Bank into digital platform also. So I will make sure that Federal Bank will perform good on digital platform also, and I will give my best to do to make it happen also.
Actually, Federal Bank is already in digital marketing. So you can't say I am going to put it into digital marketing. What you can say is, I will try to utilize my skills in digital marketing into furthering the progress of Federal Bank.
Okay.
May I try, sir?
Yeah, please try. Ragul.
So after joining the bank, actually, I'm good at designing templates and making advertisements, and also I'm good at content writing and website writing. So, like with my skills, like could able to promote the bank like in freelancing website like Upwork and other things. So with my skills, I would able to increase the percentage of the percentage of book. Okay.
Yeah, but you are talking nicely, but then the sort of clarity is not there. That is rather you are having lot of hesitation in speaking. I don't know why. This is the message. Yeah, please.
Sir, can I try?
Yeah, please try. Try. Yeah, Shubham.
Sir, yeah, sir. As I have a friendly nature, and so I can make more friendly conversation with customers and give them best service, and can accumulate more customers as from friendly nature.
Good. This is also correct. See, somebody who has got digital can speak. Otherwise, you can. Next, anybody? Come on. Yeah.
I will say like that. I have studied commerce and MBA finance and marketing. According to my studies in finance sector and marketing strategies, I will use more schemes like I will develop in the banking.
Good. That's also correct. Nice. Next, anybody else? 2 minutes
Yes,
are
sir.
there.
Sir,
Yeah.
whatever I
Sir,
said, was it right or wrong?
Which one? Who is asking?
Sachin, sir.
Sachin, you were talking same complaint I have, that you are talking at length. Thoda brief karna hai.
Okay, sir.
In fact, even before our robotic, I told you, but you have lot of things to say, but everything need not be told in 1 minute or 2 minutes. An interview is a situation 10 minutes only. Within those 10 minutes, they have to decide about you. So when that be the case, you have to tell more points clearly. Here,
Okay, sir.
I am having lot of time, so I am talking leisurely. आप लोग ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हैं. You have to, whatever word you speak should be relevant to that question. Pallavi, please answer my question, this question.
Yes, sir. As I am engineer, I am good in analytical reasoning, and during my college days, I've been always participated in voluntary work. So I can say I am person who like to initiate and always ready to help for the team members.
Bus, that will do. You don't have to tell about college days also. I will do it that way. Understood, Sachin?
Yes.
Sachin, samajh gaya abhi? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Nikhil, last half a minute available. Come on, quick.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have experience in marketing field. So banking needs a marketing people. So according to experience, my skills will definitely value to a bank.
Excellent. Good. You did nicely. Tanmay, maybe next time after when we rejoin, you can talk. Time over. It is only 1 minute time. All of you are participating very well. Jishnu, we will continue with this after relogging. Please come after 5 minutes. Just not even 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes. We can straight away come after 2 minutes also. No problem. Please come after 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.